Do you like chocolate? Do you like peanut butter? Do you chase protein? I do have to answer yes to all three of those questions. I normally eat a different brand of protein bars, but they don't have anything with peanut butter in them, and just every now and then I've got to have peanut butter. So I saw these at Walmart and purchased these, and I'm going to give them a try. The Pure Protein Chocolate Peanut Butter Bars. It has a free bar in it. Who can turn down a bargain like that? The Pure Protein Chocolate Peanut Butter Caramel has 20 grams of protein for 190 calories. It provides 15% of the RDA for calcium, 6% of the RDA for iron. I paid $6.18 for this, and it had the free bar in it, so I got 7 bars, but normally it's 6 bars. There's the manufacturer's information as well as the website and phone number, and you can pause this to get a closer look at the ingredients list. Let's see what the Pure Protein Chocolate Peanut Bar is like. Well, it's a little bit smaller than the wrapping. Have all this that would lead you to believe it's longer. Smells good. So I'm really kind of looking for something that's not going to melt. I carry protein bars with me in the car. I eat one every day at work for lunch, so I'm less worried about it melting there. Looks like it's got some crunchies in there. It's got that caramel little layer. It's got the chocolate around that makes it look like a candy bar. So I'm hoping the taste is good. First taste is a yum. That's not bad. Comparing a Quest chocolate chip cookie dough bar, which has 200 calories and 21 grams of protein, to the Pure Protein, which has 190 calories and 20 grams of protein. The Pure Protein's on the bottom, the Quest is on the top. So you can see the difference in the size. The Quest bar is a little bit stickier. The Pure Protein bar is a little bit thicker. It looks more like a candy bar. Let's look at the inside of them. Quest one's a little bit harder to cut. It's a little stickier. So the Quest bar on the inside, the Pure Protein bar on the inside. I normally eat Quest bars every day for lunch. I really do like Quest bars. The peanut butter Quest bars are not one of my favorites, so I was looking for something that was a little different. This Pure Protein one is really good. I've had some Pure Protein bars in the past that I didn't care for. This one's really, really good. I'll be buying this Pure Protein peanut butter bar. It has more of a candy bar flavor. It's got that chewy nougat in there. It's got a great peanut butter flavor, little crunchies. So it's a nice treat for 190 calories and 20 grams of protein. Thanks for watching my review of the Pure Protein Chocolate Peanut Butter Bar. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. And if you have time before you go, watch another video, because I have a lot of them up, and I'm hoping you can find something else in my library videos that can help you out. If you have a favorite protein bar that you like, let us know in the comments below so that we can become better consumers. And until next time, take care of yourself. Bye.